Rising is just like a plane taking a takeoff. And when it has to take a takeoff, before the takeoff, it requires a good space to move around. Slowly it moves around, then speeds up, and then eventually takes off. So in order to rise, in order to take off, we need to create that space and to live in the present moment. Because fall is when we are just thinking about the past or when we are anxious about the future. What is going to happen? I hope this does not happen to me. That fear is actually making me fall more and more. But when I decide to live in the present, I'm connected with my originality, who I am. And so if I want to rise, then I need to be myself again, my original self again. I need to step back. During a setback, let me not just sit back idle doing nothing, but to step back. Keep paddling so that I don't drown. That is, keep pondering over good positive thoughts, on good memories, everything that is good, and connect myself with that goodness and greatness. Sit in silence. Silence is power. It's the greatest power which Corona has taught us. Sit in solitude, sit in silence, step back, and then there in that peace, that mental peace, you have that space. I have this click in my mind that yes, I am the ruler of this body, which is my immediate situation. I am the ruler of this situation. I am the master of this situation. The power is in me. It is not in this situation outside. The situation, the fall, has no power inside it. The power is, the strength is, the glory is in the rising to the greatness within inside us. So the power is inside me. I am powerful. And when I have this positive affirmation that it is me who is powerful, and when I light that, when I ignite that light of being powerful, then nobody, no darkness outside can dim that light of mine. Nobody can, dim that spark which I have ignited inside. So it is this spark inside, when we focus upon it, then everything else follows like a shadow. Everything else follows like a shadow. We do not have to make effort to go behind the shadow, because how much ever we do the effort, we are not going to get the shadow at all, right? And we have seen this. We have up till now only made efforts to raise the standard of living. But what about the standard of life? So the effort is to be raising the standard of life. The effort is to switch on the light. The darkness will go away automatically, isn't it? So it is the time now for us to choose, take a decision as to what is the next step that we have to take. What are the things that we have learned, the lessons that we have learned from the mistakes that we committed in the past? And therefore we find this Thomas Edison, when he was asked that after 1,000 times you were able to invent the bulb, how did you feel that failure of 1,000 times? And he said that it was not that failure that I felt, but the bulb was the invention of 1,000 steps, lessons that I learned in my life. So this is the spirit. This is that inner encouragement that we require today. And this, when this happens, you focus on your positivity, speed up your positivity, and then take a takeoff, a breakthrough in your life.